Have you ever told what secret your boarding pass is hiding? Secrets so personal that a stranger could literally step into your digital life just by scanning that little piece of paper you throw away without a second thought. Most travelers see a boarding pass as nothing more than a ticket stub, but here's the truth. Hidden inside those barcodes and QR codes is a shocking amount of personal data that you would never want in the wrong hands. I'm not just talking about your flight number or your seat assignment. No, it goes much deeper. That barcode can unlock your frequent flyer account, reveal your booking reference, expose your travel history, sometimes even link back to your passport details or the exact email tied to your reservation. And the scariest part? Anyone with a free app on their phone can scan it in seconds. Picture this. You're at the airport, you board your flight, and you toss your used boarding pass into a nearby trash bin without thinking twice. A hacker, or even just a curious stranger, picks it up, scans it, and suddenly they have access to cancel your return flight, steal your hard-earned miles, reset your login passwords, or even impersonate you to airlines and travel agencies. It sounds like something out of a movie, but it's happening right now, and most travelers have absolutely no clue. What makes it worse is that so many people proudly post their boarding passes online, showing off their dream vacations on Instagram or Facebook, not realizing that the high-resolution image gives away the very same codes criminals use to get inside your accounts. Think about it. When was the last time you saw a friend post a picture of their plane ticket? It feels harmless, right? But in reality, it's like handing over the keys to your digital identity. Hackers don't even have to know you personally. They sell boarding pass data in bulk on the dark web, piecing together your travel patterns, the airlines you use, the cities you visit, and connecting it with leaked information from other sources to build a complete shadow profile of you. That profile can be sold, traded, or even used to target you with phishing scams that are so personalized you'd have no idea they were fake. And here's a chilling twist most people never consider. If your boarding pass falls into the wrong hands, it could even be used to stalk your travel schedule. Imagine someone knowing not only where you're going, but exactly when you'll be away from home. This isn't paranoia. It's a very real risk, and it's all hidden in plain sight. The problem is that airlines don't warn you about this, and airport staff will never tell you, because from their perspective, your boarding pass is just a disposable piece of paper. But for you, it's basically a mini passport with a digital door straight into your identity. So here's the question you need to ask yourself every single time you fly. Are you protecting your boarding pass the same way you protect your credit card or your passport? Because in today's world, you should. Tear it up before throwing it away. Never post it online. And if you really want to stay safe, treat it like gold until you're absolutely done with your trip. It might feel like just a scrap of paper, but the reality is your boarding pass can reveal far more about you than you'd ever imagine. And that one careless mistake could cost you your miles, your money, and even your peace of mind. Despite these dangers, airlines rarely issue any warnings. The boarding pass, to most airport staff, is just a disposable item, part of the endless flow of paper in the travel process. But for you, it's more like a mini passport, a digital key that can unlock far more than just your seat on a plane. In fact, some security experts argue that a boarding pass should be treated with the same care and caution as your credit card or government identification. So, what can you do to protect yourself? The first and most important rule is simple. Never share images of your boarding pass online. No matter how excited you are about your trip, resist the urge to show off the details. Even if you blur out your name or part of the code, professional scammers can often reconstruct the missing information from what remains. Next, always dispose of your physical boarding pass securely. Don't just toss it in an airport bin. Tear it up, shred it, or keep it with you until you're sure it's safe to throw away at home. If you use a mobile boarding pass, opt for airlines that use dynamic QR codes. These change frequently and are harder to copy or reuse. But even then, be cautious about where and how you access your digital pass, especially if you're using public Wi-Fi networks. If you ever lose your boarding pass or realize you've posted it online by mistake, act quickly. Change your airline account password, monitor your frequent flyer account for unusual activity, and contact your airline to flag the incident. The sooner you act, the less likely it is that a criminal will be able to take advantage of your information. Ultimately, the key to protecting yourself is awareness. The next time you board a flight, remember that your boarding pass is more than just a ticket. It's a gateway to your personal world, one that should be guarded with the utmost care. In an age where identity theft and cybercrime are more prevalent than ever, one careless moment can cost you not just your miles and money, but your privacy and peace of mind. So treat your boarding pass as you would any valuable document, with caution, discretion, and respect for the secrets it keeps. Because in today's interconnected world, even the smallest scrap of paper can have enormous consequences.